So this is the start of a new series called My Favorite Things, where I will be sharing with you my favorite foodie things that I enjoy and why I enjoy them, and hopefully make recommendations to you that you in turn will also enjoy.
Now, when anything bothers me and I'm feeling unhappy, I just try and think of nice things.
Welcome, lovers of food and life. This is the channel dedicated to all things food, travel and culture, mainly food. My name's Jen and it's great to have you here. So I'm kicking off this series with Ben and Jerry's chocolate fudge brownie ice cream. Now listen to me when I tell you that I love this stuff. This is the vegan version, the dairy-free version. So it is made with almond milk. I'm going to read the ingredients to you. Water, sugar, vegetable oil, cocoa powder, wheat flour, almond paste. But the point is, it's a non-dairy version of the chocolate fudge brownie regular ice cream, and it is so good. In fact, listen, you just need to go and get a tub of this, yeah? Because, And so, the ice cream also includes non-dairy brownie pieces, of course, completely made from fair trade ingredients, which is great. A friend of mine came to stay with me recently and we managed to work our way through 2 tubs of this. Oh, I completely forgot to say, all the usual like YouTube disclaimers apply, such as this is just me sharing from my heart something that I love with the hopes that you will love it too. So my favorite things, installment number 1 is Ben and Jerry's dairy-free chocolate fudge brownie ice cream. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy the ice cream if you get your hands on some, and I will see you soon. Look at this light. Merci, Imela, asante sana. Bye. And I love it. Like, get yourself some.